Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another vlog. So it's been a while since I've vlogged for YouTube or even for that matter filmed a YouTube video. It's been a while now, but maybe I'll do that tonight. Let's see how that goes. But yeah, I decided to just pick up the camera and start this vlog because honestly, there's nothing much to show, and also I'm a bit caught up with my academics and all of that. That's the major reason that I'm not able to film and vlog. But yeah, today that I've started this vlog, I'm most probably gonna vlog for like one day or maybe 2 day and then just merge it up and upload it on YouTube. And I really hope that you guys like my daily vlog, and if you do, then please let me know in the comment section down below so that I can make more such vlogs for you. Of course, all vlogs are not gonna be like all those fun or I going somewhere or all of that. No, it's gonna be very basic, real, everyday vlog. So yes, now let's begin with the day. Honestly, it's like 4 in the evening and I have started this vlog, so most probably now I'm gonna be having my favorite time of the day, which is my chai time. And so yeah, let's go. Also, I have been having like few ideas for my YouTube and reels which I have listed here, and I like kind of want to shoot those videos, but honestly I've not been getting that time. As I already mentioned, I've been caught up. So today, since I have a little bit of time, I'm thinking to like shoot as many as I can and like edit them maybe later and as possible. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing that. That's about my today's to-do list. So yes, now that's about it. So before having our chai time, we decided to just take a walk down the street and just look at the streets all dolled up for Christmas. And yeah, we just took a very random walk almost till our college. So as I mentioned, we almost walked till our college campus, and this is my campus. And then we walked back home, and on our way we met this cutie. Just look at him. He almost followed us till our home and was just not ready to let us go alone. So yeah, we had a fun time with him. And then here's our chai with this one specific biscuit, which I almost need every single day now. So yeah. So, hopping in after shooting like a couple of videos for my YouTube and Instagram reels. So, most probably, you might have already seen this look before I post this vlog. If you haven't watched it yet, I'm gonna link it in my description box. So, please make sure that you go and check it out. But I quickly came up here to tell you all that I actually thought that I'm gonna be shooting like 4-5 videos today, but unfortunately, I could not do that. But anyways, I'm happy that I at least shot few videos, and I just hope that they turn out to be good. So yeah, I actually came up here to talk to you guys about the two products which I mentioned in one of my recent skincare videos, winter skincare videos. If you haven't yet watched that video, I'm also going to link it in my description box. So wherein I talked about these two only products which I am using this winter, and honestly these are the only products which I have been using, and they're working great for my skin. I have applied makeup today after I don't know how many days, and I just did it for the video. So especially this face wash that I am using, if you can see, I have used a lot of the product. I think I'm absolutely loving this face wash, and I'm gonna highly recommend you guys. And also this sunscreen is the only product which I am using. So yeah, that's the update about these two products. And now I'm gonna quickly remove all of this makeup, wash everything, and get back to you guys. Good morning everyone. So it's the next day, it's a Sunday, and I woke up a few hours ago and had my breakfast and all of that. Today is going to be a little bit of busy day because we kind of have some painting work to be done for our room and all of that. So yes, I'm going to be taking you guys along today as well. So yes, then painting work started and I was a little busy there. And yeah, that's all about my Sunday actually. So yes, checking in after a really long time. I think yesterday I started my vlog at this time, but yeah. So as I showed you, there was some painting. Then I had to clean my complete room, dusting and all of that. It really took a long time. Then I got all freshen up, and now it's evening, and I'm gonna go have some tea, and then I'm gonna be back. So yeah, and what else? I think that's all I did the entire day, honestly. And I'm gonna come back, and I have few things to catch up on, so I'm gonna do that. And yes, most probably I'm gonna be ending this vlog today. Let's see how that goes. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day, and I think I last vlogged yesterday night. What did I vlog? I honestly do not remember it. I need to edit and see how the vlog turned out to be. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna just end this vlog here and maybe start a new vlog. Let's see how that goes. So, yes, if you liked this vlog, a very random, normal, everyday kind of vlog, then make sure that you like this video, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my Instagram. The link of my Instagram is in my description box, so please go and check it out. I'll soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.